Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at EWG's tap water database for uranium. It is a known human carcinogen, and the federal legal limit for uranium is set at 30 micrograms per liter, corresponding to parts per billion. But utilities can also report uranium in picotures per liter, which is a measure of radioactivity in water. It's also translated all uranium results to PCIL using a conversion factor developed by the EPA. With this conversion, the limit of 30 ppb parts per billion corresponds to 20 PIC per liter. And we have the drinking water with this much uranium would cause more than 4.6 cancer cases in a population of roughly 100,000. And California set a public health goal for uranium of 0.3 PC per liter. So we can see actually the information right here, how many states detected, how many utilities detected, which was a lot. 8,426 and 80 million people served. So these are some pretty shocking numbers. Why? Because uranium can cause some serious problems. As you know, it's radioactive, so it can cause cancer, harm to kidneys, and that's not all of it. See, the guideline was defined by California in the Office of Environmental Health Hazards as a public health goal, the level of the drinking water contamination that does not pose a significant health risk. And the three most common uranium isotopes are U-234, U-235, and U-238. All isotopes of uranium are radioactive, and the total radioactivity depends on the ratio of the isotopes. And health guidelines protect against cancer. And we can see the EPA's maximum contaminant level with 20 PIC. We can also see the information right here, the utilities reporting above health guidelines and contamination. We can see California right here, 102 utilities. We can see the amount of people served is huge, over 26 million, and the utilities here and the people served with contamination are huge. Then we go to Texas. Even more utilities have issues. And we can see the people serve less, but still, that's a lot of utilities in the thousands. Then we have Colorado. We have New York, 252. It's just below 1 million. We have the utilities right here, and the people served is almost 4 million. We have New Jersey with 97 utilities contaminated. We can see the people served is over 2 million. We can see utilities right here with contamination are 108. And we can see over 3 million people are served. So these are some pretty shocking numbers. Now you can fix some of this with reverse osmosis and ion exchange. We can see the issues where the different utilities are at. But these are some pretty shocking numbers. This is cause for concern, especially numbers being that high. And we can see some of the major cities and the major states have problems here that need to be addressed. That's why it's always a good idea to periodically test your water for high levels of uranium.